Hi guys, Gamer's back, and today we are playing Escape the Obby Grandpa. So, let's get started. Grandpa has lost his mind. Let's try and escape. Okay. Girl, you gotta stay with me. We're gonna beat it. Oh, she just died. First one, she died. Oh, me too. Oh, she died again. Okay, we got to go. No! It wouldn't let me jump. Oh, I think she might have died. Woo! No! How can I not do this? Yes. Oh, now we gotta do it again. I'm mad. Instead of Grandpa has gone mad, I have gone mad. Woo. What? How did I even touch that? Okay. Last 5th time's a charm. Yes, I did it. I got to get the checkpoint. No! No! Upset. I'm just upset. Yes, I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Yay! We got through that. Okay, now a giant kitchen. Oh yeah, it is. Avoid the hot grills and the dripping sink. I'm guessing avoid the red grills. Ooh, he has knives. Oh, the knife just cut me. Ow. Yay, we did it. He has some leftover chicken. Oh, why can't I touch the water? Oh, wrong way. No! Ugh. I'm upset. I'm upset and I'm really hurting. No, wrong one. Okay, Rubber Ducky, work with me. Yes! I did it. Woo, woo. Bingo. Ah! We're supposed to do that. B. Give me a B. B. I. In. G. Oh! What's that spell? Bingo! Bingo! A dead end. Try to click on something to escape. Oh, this boy doesn't know what to do. Ha! I got that. I know that it was a teeth because it's easy as that. Looks like we're near the core of the earth. Better go back before we burn. Sorry. I hit the mic. Oh! Ah! I keep hitting the mic. Oh! That was a close one. How did I even touch it? It let me jump and then it died. I'm about to burn, which I already burned, and then I burned even more. I'm not even on it. Go, work with me. Okay. This is difficult. This way I know, I bet, is very hard. Because it's a maze. Oh, I went the wrong way. I went to the dead end. I keep running into stuff. Here, let's look that way. Let's go this way. Dead end? Wait, I gotta see if that's a dead end. Dead end? Let's go this way. Dead end. Dead end. Let's go this way. We got to look, not a dead end, so let's go. Dead end. Okay, we're going this way. This way we go. I think we did it. Grandpa! He better not see us. He was letting me touch him. Oh, we gotta sneak before Grandpa sees us. Okay, we got to get through this. This seems hard. Oh, and I just died. We're gonna try and go this way. Amazing. And guys, it is February the 3rd, so on Sunday, and it's Super Bowl. So fun. It might probably isn't Super Bowl for y'all, but it's Super Bowl for me. I'm gonna get to party, but I have school in the morning. Which it probably won't be Super Bowl whenever this is posted. Okay, I'm doing it. Don't die. Hey, Taco. Okay, we can do this. I thought I could go like to the side, but I can't. I shouldn't have gone forward. What? Okay. I'm in the lead. I'm on level 11. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. One more time. One more time. Just one more. Okay, guys. Well, I keep on dying. So, I'm going to end the video here. Watch my next video to see if I make it or not. Dun dun dun. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. Whenever you subscribe, it's a red little thing, and it says subscribe on it. And then if you press it, it turns gray, and there's a little bell. And press that if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. Hope you like it. Have a great day. Bye.